Hello everybody, it's OK Noble, and welcome back to another devlog. This currently untitled game is a 2D shooter with a pixel art style, which the main goal of most levels is to destroy the demon portal at the end of the stage. The game is being developed in Unity, and none of what is shown is final and is subject to change. I just want to mention some of the features that are shown in this video have been somewhat completed before. Even the last video, it's just I've made a few changes to some of them, and some of them I just forgot to show. So, yeah. What I've struggled most with since the last video, and even before then, besides procrastination, has been animation, learning animation. Not necessarily even trying to do the animation, like the animation process. It's more so learning the way it works in Unity, the animator in Unity. And there's some other stuff with audio I've been trying to learn, because I want to make sure it's right when I add audio to the game. Same thing with music. But I'm still working on it, but I think I'm getting a little bit better than at least from last time at least. The first thing I want to show is the ice, which really kind of explains itself. If you walk on it, it's more slippery. Doesn't really add too much to the game, but it does kind of add a little bit of texture to the environment, if that's the right wording. Now I want to mention the visual upgrade to the rift area. I have a new kind of stone block kind of sprite and a lantern sprite, so I think it looks a lot more fitting now. It has a little bit more character, I would say. It looked very barren before, if that's even the right word. Like, very, like, empty. Nothing was really going on, so I think it looks a bit better now. The next thing I want to show off is the icicles, which are also kind of self-explanatory. You see these in kind of games like Mario, you'll see them. I don't know, I can't think of any other games. That's kind of what it's inspired off of. I might make a bigger version of it, I'm not sure, but I think it works. It kind of fits well with the theme currently. So yeah, now I want to talk about the trees and flowers and death. Okay, that doesn't sound right. But I have new animations that I've been trying to work on. Like I said, I've been struggling with animations, so I don't have a lot of animations done yet, but or it's like I have them done, but I don't have them implemented yet. So you'll see more and more of these as the devlogs progress. Alright, so let's explain this. So other than the demon death animations, the trees and flowers, this is kinda what I'm going for here. These are also placeholder, by the way, they're not final, because they look a little worse than I thought they would. But yeah, so this is how it works. The trees and flowers, they're gonna like sway back and forth like normally when the wave's not going on. So when the wave starts, they start shaking kind of violently. So the idea is to kind of make it feel like, oh, something's really going down. Kind of like some feedback in a way. So whenever the trees and flowers aren't, there isn't a wave going on, they'll just sway normally. And then once the wave does start and while it's going on, it'll shake more violently. And that's how it works. Now the coolest thing I think I have to show out of everything in this devlog is the demon turret. So the way it works is it's a turret, first of all, and it's for the demon, so it's a bad thing. So it's gonna shoot at you, and basically the way the projectiles work are a little bit different. They're closer to, just like I mentioned Mario earlier, it's kind of like when you get the fire power up in Mario and the fireballs like bounce across the floor. It's kind of inspired off of that a little bit, but I just thought it was a cool effect, and it would be a little bit less generic, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this devlog. If you liked it, then tell me what you think. See you in the next one.